schooling should be more now focused on discipline rather than the knowledge. Again, maybe the way you learn, they should teach you the way to learn, but to actually provide you the knowledge, there's almost no necessity because knowledge is abundant
Right.
in every field.
Right.
Even the jobs, like that's another topic I was thinking about. What jobs are there going to be in 10 to 20 years? There's not going to be that many left.
Right. Well, there's going to be a lot of physical jobs. So,
You think? What about robotics? Like, look at Elon Musk's robots. What are they called? I forgot.
yeah, and I mean, home services, I think, are going to continue to thrive because are we building, I mean, in the next 20 years, probably, but in the next 10 years, are we going to have robots that are going to go, fix your heater or your air conditioning? I mean, that's
think
pretty
so.
far away, I think.
20 years?
20 years, yeah.
I
But
think
in the
we'll
next 5 to 10 years, I mean,
I'm pretty sure, that's my guess, that the way we have the technology advancing now,
right. Oh, yeah.
we will have,
Warp speed.
yeah, and it's only getting faster.
Yes.
Because now the AI is at this critical stage where it's starting to train itself,
Right.
progress itself, code itself,
Right.
and it's at superhuman speed,
Right.
24 hours a day.
Yes.
So the achievements that we used to have from 2024 to 2025
Right.
to 2025 to 2026, it's like 3x improvement,
Yes.
and it's only going to get progressively faster. So I think we will have, we can't even keep pace with it, keep up with the thought process
Right.
of what's going to be in 20 years.
Yeah.
I really do think we will have robotics. My personal opinion is there will be no more jobs that we need to do. Could be voluntary, but the greatest work is going to be like the work on oneself. Because again, AI and robotics cannot solve, are you a good person? That they cannot do.
No.
You either are in discipline, like you're saying. Discipline is part of being a good person.
Right.
A lazy person is not necessarily a good person, unfortunately.
Right.
There's going to be a lot of work on oneself.
Yeah.
That's going to be our job. Ethics, morals.
I haven't thought about it that way, but I like it.
Yeah, I think that's what we're heading. And that's why I keep thinking about when I think about my kids. What's the most important thing for them? Because it used to be, let's give them the best education possible that's in the world so they can have a job. But there will be abundance of everything.
Right.
No need for jobs. What can I give them now? And I'm really leaning towards, I want to give them ethical education.
Right.
I want to make them really good people.
Yeah.
Because that they really will need always.
Always. Well, I tell this story because I think it's relevant and it's quite comical. And it is a parenting decision. When I walked into my son's room, he's 20 now and he's a great kid. But when he was, he must have been 8th grade or a freshman in high school. He's young. And I walked into his room and he's sitting on his bed with his feet kicked up and he's got his computer on his desk and Alexa. So he's doing his vocabulary or whatever he was doing, and he was talking to Alexa, and Alexa was talking to his computer, and he had Google Voice going, recording what Alexa was saying. And he's sitting back, I mean, literally with his arms up and his feet up. And I'm thinking, I walk in, and at first I wanted to be mad, like, don't cheat. And then I was thinking,
pretty creative.
You are brilliant.
Yeah.
What a smart kid. If I could get somebody to do my work like that, I mean, I'd be a billionaire. So that was a moment for me where I had to take a deep breath. And, as a parent, you want to be mad and you want him to learn his definitions. But the reality is that's smart, and I want him to be a problem solver. I want him to be able to think through, like, how do I get to the solution as fast as I can so I can go do what I want to do? I mean, that's life. So that was a really interesting pivotal point for me as a parent. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now with AI and, there's AI software to combat the paper writing. And, and I look at some of the work and, these kids are learning the same stuff that I learned, 30 years ago in school. It's like they're reading the same books, Beowulf. It's like we can't come up with anything else for these kids to learn that's interesting to them and relevant for them right now. So I really, I'm really an advocate for changing the way schools teach right now. And it's coming. I mean, it is definitely coming. I was at a classroom for my daughter's English class, and they were teaching kids to think in tweets, 166 characters. And so they would read a passage and then they would have to respond with tweets from their phone, and the tweets would be on the screen. And it's really teaching them to condense their thoughts and get them out quickly. So the schools are trying and they're coming along, and it's happening fast and faster and faster, like you said, the 3X. So it's coming. It's just, It's fun to watch, you know.